Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create filet crochet more visible with linked double crochet. In this video, I am using sport weight cotton yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook. Solid box represents 3 double crochet, and mesh box represents double crochet, chain, and double crochet. For the first row, we are going to read the pattern from right to left. And for the second row, we are going to read the pattern from left to right. Now, we are going to determine the number of chains for this fillet pattern. There are 17 boxers, so multiply 17 by 2, then plus 5, equal to 39. Starting with slipknot, make 39 chains. Row 1 consists of solid boxers. Double crochet in 4th chain from the hook, then double crochet across to end. Row 2 consists of mesh stitches. In this tutorial, I am using stacked single crochet, so the edges will look neater. I will show you how to make stacked single crochet. Turn. Make a single crochet in first stitch. Insert the hook in horizontal loop of the single crochet. Then make another single crochet. That is how stacked single crochet was made. Make double crochet in next 2 stitches. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet in next stitch. Repeat until 3 stitches left. Double crochet in last 3 stitches. Repeat these steps for row 3 and 4. For row 5 and 4, the rest of all odd rows, we will read the pattern from right to the left. Starting with 3 double crochet for 1 solid box, then 4 mesh stitches for 4 mesh boxers. Then make 5 linked double crochet for 2 solid boxers. I will show you how to make linked double crochet. Insert hook into horizontal bar in the center of previous stitch and pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next available chain or stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Continue with 3 mesh stitches for 3 mesh boxers. Make 5 linked double crochet for 2 solid boxers. Then make 4 mesh stitches for 4 mesh boxers. Finish the row with 2 linked double crochet. For row 6 and subsequent even row, we are going to read the pattern from left to right. 3 double crochet, then 3 mesh stitches. Then make 8 linked double crochet. Make 1 mesh stitch, then another 8 link double crochet. Then 3 mesh stitches. End the row by making 2 double crochet. Continue for remaining rows by reading the grid pattern. Odd row from right to left, even row from left to right. You can see the fillet design more clearly with linked double crochet.